Good morning, Maria.
Good morning, ma'am.
How are you, beta?
Fine. Oh, fine, ma'am.
Now, switch off your cameras, everyone. Switch off your cameras. Switch off your camera, Maria.
એમ ન કરવાનું ચડે મને હણી લઈ જો મને પગ લાગ્યું ને
We will wait for 2 minutes, okay? Let everybody join. Let everyone join, then we will start our class work. Why so many kids are absent today? Jaivir Singh, good morning, beta. Good morning. Arna, good morning. Diya and Purva, good morning, beta. Good morning. Good morning, everyone. Moksha, good morning. Moksha, sorry. Now, Aish Dayani, good morning. Okay, let us start our prayer. Join your hands. Close your eyes. Start with Gayatri Mantra 3 times. Om Bhurbhuvasvaha Tatsavituurvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Nah Prachodaya. Om Bhurbhuvasvaha Tatsavituurvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Nah Prachodaya. Om Bhurbhuvasvaha Tatsavituurvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Nah Prachodaya. Rub your hands. Touch your eyes. Touch your face. Good morning, everyone. Namaskar. How are you all? Oh, fine. Bhavya, Dharmik, good morning. Okay, now take out your English notebook, everyone. Take out your English notebook. Good morning, man. So shall we start our class work? Take out your notebook, everyone. Take out your notebook. Good morning, man. Take out your English notebook, everyone. Write down CW. Good morning, Mridhanesh. Write down CW. Today's date 26th 10th, which is the 10th month, October 2021. Today is your test, as I told you yesterday. This is class test. Marks will not be counted, okay? Okay, Ruhi. There is not compulsion to draw the picture. It is not compulsion to draw the picture. अगर आपको आता है तो करो, नहीं आता है तो it's okay, it's fine. Just write down the words. For example, if there are two flowers, then you need to write flowers. Flowers, okay? और अगर there is one cat, so you need to write cat. A और N नहीं आएगा. A हमेशा सिंगुलर के लिए ही यूज होता है. When it comes to plural, वहां पे A नहीं आता है. वो मैंने इसलिए लिया था ताकि आपको टॉपिक रिवाइज हो जाए बच्चा. ओके एवरीवन, you will not write A or N in front of the spelling. Is that clear to everyone? Is that clear? कोई भी A और N नहीं लिखेगा. हाँ माया बोलो बेटा. Maya, you want to say something? Please write down in the chat box. आपको A और N नहीं लिखना है. That is just we want to revise the topic. That is why I have taken along with this. जब सिंगुलर चीज होती है तभी A आता है और जब प्लूरल हो जाता है वहां A और N नहीं आता है. Is that clear to everyone? Yes or no? Yes or no everyone? समझ में आया सबको? Okay बेटा. So let us start with the first picture. How many balls are there? You need to write it down. अगर एक बॉल है तो बॉल लिखोगे, अगर एक से ज्यादा है तो बॉल्स लिखोगे. समझ में आया? Write it down. You don't have to give the answer. You just need to write it down in your notebook. There is no need to give the answer. Start writing. This is the first picture. Once you have done this, please let me know. Okay, you have done. Okay. All ball. Balls है कि ball है, that you need to write down. One or many. Okay. Shall I start with the next picture? Girl, girl. Girl, girl. One girl or many girls? Done. Okay, Sampurna. Sampurna, you don't have to give the answer, beta. Just write down in the notebook, okay? There is no need to give the answer. Okay, Sampurna? Okay, beta. You need to write down in your notebook only. Because this is test, okay? So you don't have to write down the answer in the chat box. Shall I show you the next picture? Yes or no? Okay, okay, beta. See the next picture. This is the next picture. Okay, Rui. Do it by your own. Don't ask your parents, okay? Parents, please उनको अपने आप करने दीजिए. So I'll come to know they know very well or not. Done, everyone? Yes or no? Have you all done? Done, everyone? हो गया सबका बेटा? Yes or no? Okay. See the next picture. I'll send you the full page in your WhatsApp group, okay? So you can repeat it at home. No need to write A or N. A comes along with singular only. When it becomes plural, there is no A or N. Nothing will be there, beta. That are the example we have just practiced it. हाँ मोक्षा बोलो बेटा. Moksha, you want to say something, Moksha? हाँ बोलो बेटा मोक्षा. Do you have any doubt, Moksha? If you are not able to understand, please call me, beta. Please call me in the evening, ma'am, or after this session. Moksha, if you are not able to understand, please call me after the session. Then, Moksha, what is your problem, beta? क्या बात है? You want to ask something? You can, beta. Shall I start with the next picture? Yes or no? Done, everyone? Okay. See the next picture. Coin. Coin. You need to write. If it is one, then coin, and if it is many, then coins. 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 Yes, माहिया क्या हुआ बेटा? Done, everyone? Have you all done? डन एवरीवन? बेटा आप रिप्लाई नहीं करोगे तो हाउ वुड आई नो दैट यू हैव डन और नॉट? ओके, see the next picture and write it down. See the next picture and write it down. अर्थ यू डोंट हैव टू आंसर बेटा, आपको आंसर नहीं देना है ना, टेस्ट है ना, तो यू नीड टू राइट डाउन इन योर नोटबुक ओनली. ओके, डन? Completed? Okay. Shall I show you the next picture, everyone? Okay. See the next picture? Cup. One cup or many cup? If it is one, then it will come cup. And if it is many, then it will come cup. Then you need to decide. It is one or many. हाँ माहिया बोलो बेटा. माहिया क्या हुआ बेटा? माहिया क्या हुआ बच्चा? Done everyone? Mahiya, you have any doubt beta? No? Okay, see the next picture. Tree. Tree. One tree or many trees? Done everyone? Okay, Vihan. See the next picture. Pen. Pen. One pen or many pens? Done everyone? Okay. माहिया बेटा आंसर नहीं लिखना है आपको, खाली टेस्ट है, तो यू ओनली नीड टू राइट डाउन इन योर नोटबुक. देयर इज नो नीड टू राइट द आंसर इन द चैट बॉक्स. Done everyone? See the next picture. Apple. Apple. One apple or many apple? Okay, Shrutanvi, done, very good. Done, everyone? Done, everyone? Okay. Now switch on your cameras and show me your notebook if you have finished. Switch on your cameras and show it to me. नहीं हुआ माया? हो गया? अंश, स्विच ऑन योर कैमरा बेटा. अंश, अपना कैमरा चालू करो. माहिया, डन बेटू? हो गया आपका? Okay, he's 80, sorry. Mahiya, switch off your camera now. Done, everyone? Come on, reply me in the chat box. Have you all finished your classwork? Everyone, I need your reply. Okay, okay. Okay, Sampurna, Krishiv, Ruhi, Arshali, Shrut Tanvi, Man, Jaivir Singh, Purva, Midhunesh. सबका हो गया? Mahiya, you are still pending beta with your work? Or done? माहिया, हो गया आपका बच्चा? एक मिनट, वेट माहिया. हाँ बोलो बेटा. Okay. So now our class will be from after Diwali vacation. Okay. Enjoy your Diwali. Be safe and enjoy. Wear cotton clothes. है ना? जब आप पटाखे जलाओ तो ध्यान से देखना. Thank you भव्य धार्मिक. है ना? Happy Diwali everyone. Happy Diwali. Enjoy your vacation, okay? Thank you Earth, thank you मन. और मम्मा पापा की बातें मानना, ठीक है? दूर से पटाखे जलाना. हाँ.